Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our dual outlet performance muffler for the latest generation Ford Bronco. This is a product that's going to give your Bronco three things: better utility, better performance, and better looks. This is a complete kit. It's going to come with all the necessary hardware and clamps to install easily in an afternoon. Now the muffler itself is a more compact design than factory, and we've designed it to tuck up under the Bronco to give you a better departure angle. And our exhaust outlets are going to be fully adjustable from muffler to tip, so you can get the tips exactly where you want them, whether you have a factory bumper or an aftermarket one. And speaking of tips, the kit's going to come with a pair of 4-inch exhaust tips that have a high temp resistant black coating and a nice RC engraved on each one. And just like the tips, the stainless steel mandrel-bent tubing as well as the muffler assembly come coated in a high temp resistant black for years of service. So if you've got the latest generation Bronco and you're looking for a product that's going to free up some horses, give you an aggressive tone, and look great doing it, you're looking for Rough Country's dual outlet performance exhaust. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.